Our customer on the L-Log Buckskin project came to us with a fairly standard offshore problem. They basically needed a big winch to do a big pull, and they didn't have space to accommodate it. So going down the kind of traditional approach of a drum winch didn't really tick all the boxes for our customer. So we had to kind of think out of the box a little bit, do something innovative to use our linear winch solution. So not only did we take an innovative product, we used it in a fundamentally different way. So we took one of our usually land-based linear winches designed for horizontal pulls. We turned it 90 degrees, put it on its end, made it vertical, which allowed us to create a 500-ton pulling solution that fit in a very, very small footprint on that platform. Getting a linear winch on the platform vertical was a solution to the problem, but how we managed to achieve that was the challenging part. And that's where the team here at Ace Winches really adds value. So we had to look at how the winch would work in the vertical orientation, how we'd get it into vertical orientation, solve a number of problems. You know, we're very fortunate to have a full in-house engineering team, so we can really sit down with our customers, sit down with the problems around the table and find, you know, innovative solutions to them. Through our experience and our operational exposure, we took the decision to send a project engineer on the job. It was a project engineer that had originally engaged with the customer, had been responsible for delivering the asset to our hire fleet, and they managed to maintain that level of attention to detail, level of technical expertise from onshore to offshore. It really allows us to deliver the solution to our client, not just a product.